Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So face swapping lets you replace a face in an image or video with another, perfect for content creation, UGC ads, storytelling, and creative visuals. In this guide I will show you step by step how to face swap on OpenArt in 2026. Okay, so first thing, choose your images. So you need two images: base image, which is the target scene, and face image, which is the face you want to use. So make sure similar angle, same lighting, clear face. So matching conditions means better results. So upload base image, so open OpenArt, go to image mode. Okay, so upload your base image here. Okay, from this option. So you have here create image, image variation. So tap here and upload your base image. This is where the face will be replaced. So add face reference, like upload the face image, or describe it in prompts like same person as reference image. Reference guides the AI after that. So adjust strength settings, like set image strength like medium from 50 to 70% for balance, higher for stronger face match, like too low, you have no change, too high, distorted results after it. Okay, so write a clear prompt, for example, same person, realistic face. Okay, like this. Okay, natural skin texture, same lighting, seamless blend. Okay, so keep lighting, style background, focus on blending. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.